Live from ABC 7, this is Eyewitness News.
Fruit season comes to a close. How about a chance to fire up the BBQ and make some delicious dishes?
Today in our Circle of Health, Lori Corbin found a cooking class where you pick, cook, and then eat your bounty.
Chef Scheherezade typically holds cooking classes in Silver Lake, but at this time of year, she loves teaching at Cottonwood Urban Farm in Panorama City.
The farm grows all kinds of vegetables. They have a stone fruit orchard that is a farm-to-table class where you actually get to pick fruit on a farm and then make a delicious meal out of what the farm has to offer.
Right now, the offering is stone fruit. Peaches, plums, nectarines that can add flavor, fiber, and nutrition to your plate.
We have a very simple pizza crust here, and then we topped it with olive oil, garlic, some vegan cheese, and peaches, red onions.
Along with a barbecue pizza, Daftari shows you how to create a tangy barbecue sauce with a kick.
Some chopped onions and some jalapenos.
Then peaches after onions and peppers turn translucent, along with sugar, spices, vinegar, mustard, bourbon, and maple syrup.
This will eventually turn into barbecue sauce,
which she drizzles on a big grilled zucchini, but says it's perfect on any protein. Then on to mock mojitos.
A little bit of sugar, a little bit of mint and peach that it's been muddled in the bottom of the jar. And then we topped it off with ice and soda water.
If you're working with nectarines or peaches, know the difference between cling and freestone. It will make quite a difference when you're working with your recipe. With clingstone, the fruit, it tends to stick to the pit, so ask for freestone.
And the freestone fruits, when you turn them and you open them, the pit comes right out very easily.
Daftari says buy ripe and use as quick as possible. Grocers and farmers markets are happy to help you make the right choice. Also, her cooking class at the farm is August 25th, where you'll get a full stone fruit 411. Lori Corbin, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.